Imagine a rapper who not only dominates the charts but also lives a life filled with luxury cars and stunning mansions. This is Too Short, a hip-hop icon whose financial game is as solid as his music career. Today, we're going to explore how Too Short has made a name for himself not just in rap but also in the business world, showing us that with smart investments and hustle, you too can become a millionaire. Too Short, whose real name is Todd Anthony Shaw, began his career in the 1980s when he released his debut album, Don't Stop Rappin'. But his story isn't just about music, it's also about his savvy entrepreneurial skills that have made him a successful entrepreneur. Today, we're diving into Too Short's journey, his investments, and his lifestyle. Too Short was born on April 28, 1966, in Los Angeles, but he grew up in Oakland. His parents were accountants who supported his music career. While attending Fremont High School, he developed an interest in drumming and was inspired by his friend Freddie B to pursue hip-hop. You might be wondering how he became a rapper. In 1985, he stepped into the hip-hop scene with his debut album, Don't Stop Rappin'. This was just the beginning of his journey. He recorded special request songs on cassette tapes and distributed them in the Bay Area. Did you know, he started his music career with the local label 75 Girls, which helped him gain regional recognition. Too Short's unique style and explicit lyrics made him a pioneer of West Coast hip-hop. His second album, Life is Too Short, significantly boosted his net worth, which today is estimated at around $5 million. This shows that it's not just about the music, his business acumen plays a vital role. When Too Short realized his music popularity was growing, he began transforming his name into a brand. He established his own record label, Dangerous Music, allowing him to release music independently. This was a game changer, giving him more creative control. Speaking of investments, Too Short has also ventured into luxury real estate. His mansion in Atlanta is a stunning representation of his success, showcasing that it's not just about size, but also the design and atmosphere that defines luxury living. When it comes to luxury cars, Too Short's collection is impressive. Every time he attends an event, his Bentley Continental GT turns heads. And let's not forget his classic Cadillac Eldorado, what a ride. His car collection reflects his personality, stylish, flashy, and unique. But remember, reaching this level requires hustle, not just a fat bank account. Too Short didn't limit his success to his solo career. He collaborated with big names like Tupac, the Notorious B.I.G., and Jay-Z. Each collaboration increased his visibility and connected him with new fans. This was part of his smart marketing strategy. Too Short understood that working with established artists boosts credibility and expands fan bases. He has always expressed his talent for storytelling through music, making his collaborations not just about joining forces, but about creating compelling narratives. Too Short's story isn't all serious, there's humor involved too. One of his famous lines is, "Ain't nothing but a word to me." It seems his financial success follows this philosophy: hard work, hustling, and a touch of humor. Imagine if anyone could teach the true secrets of business, it would be Too Short. He once said, "I tell the world how to make money while sitting at home, write a rap and walk on the moon." Too Short's success isn't just for himself, he has supported his community as well. By partnering with organizations like Youth Uprising, he has mentored at-risk teenagers. This illustrates that his success extends beyond financial gains. It includes social responsibility. He has always stated, "As far as I've come, it's not just my efforts, but also the support from my community. I want more people like me to share their stories and achieve success." Too Short's personal life is equally interesting. He married Erica Esquerska in 2000, and in 2019, he became a father for the first time with the birth of his daughter, Yanni Shaw. Too Short enjoys his fatherhood experience and has integrated his family into his success story. In an interview, he said, "When you understand the responsibility of your own child, your world changes. I realized that hard work is essential not just for me, but also for my family." So, friends, Too Short's story teaches us how hustle, smart investments, and community support can help you achieve your financial dreams. If you enjoyed Too Short's journey, like this video and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which other hip-hop legends you want to learn about. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.
Favorite places, everything to see, you can't tell me nothing.